very bad at saying jokes, seriously. So while giving the punchline, I forgot the joke, entire joke. Anyway, so anyways, I'll try my best again. It was going in my head. So Nunni, what she did, she published the book. Huh? Nunni, I mean, it's a guy. Nunni published the book because he's the ID for her. Nunni published the book. Then Nunni, what they uh, did the Wi-Fi thing for the upload thing, and he himself goes to police. Look, police, he uploaded first, and same like the publishing. But it's written there. It's Ikigai. Are you happy that you burned? So Nunnu boli, yes, of course. Nunni to peda bhi bata. So somehow police will figure out that Nunni is lying. Hmm? So when look, this is a big matter, and when Nunni is caught in his life, so Nunni will speak like this with his mother. Nunnu, तेरी नुन्नी पकड़ी गई. So what Nunnu will do? Don't worry, Nunni. Nunnu will take care of everything. Hmm? So what Nunnu will do? अरे ऑफिसर, वो जो कर रहा है, he is doing it to his own father. Nunnu will say what? No, police officer will say what? Yes, Nunni is the son of that guy. इसकी उम्र क्या है नुन्नू की? नहीं, नुन्नी की 40 साल, और मेरी उम्र क्या है? 35 साल. पुलिस बोलेगी ये कौन सा टाइम ट्रैवल है रे बाबा? बेटा पैदा हो गया, बाप बाद में पैदा हो गया. देन कालीचरण विल एंटर द फ्रेम. कालीचरण एंटर्स. कालीचरण और नुन्नी एक ही है कि मुझे मालूम है. कालीचरण में से अरे यार, he is look, he is publishing, look, he is all these things, drafting and all this. How smart he is, how clever he is. So he is the owner of everything, the book and everything, whatever he is doing. पुलिस बोली यार, उसमें तो शूटिंग में वो तो गोरा है, वो तो काला है. तो बोले नहीं, पर उसका निकनेम है ना गोरी चरण, शूटिंग से क्या करने का, नाम है ना उसका, उसको प्यार से सब जन गोरी बोलते. So look, these are the such kind of accusers, such mentality accusers are involved in this, and this is stuck to me. मेरे को ऐसा लगता रहेगा, इसलिए मैं कौन सा चीज़ को रिएक्ट नहीं करता है, मालूम है क्या? मैं चुप बैठता है और अकेले हंसते रहता है. मैं ऐसा नहाते वक्त बेड में सोया भी ना, तो भी मेरे को हंसने को आता है, एक्यूजेशन याद कर करके. समझे?